Thinking about switching to a career in healthcare? Whether you're seeking job security, a more meaningful career, or something completely new, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to transition into healthcare in Canada, from certifications to job hunting. Let's dive in. If you're interested in career advice, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. When it comes to healthcare, many people think of doctors and nurses. But there are many other roles that make up the healthcare system and are perfect for career switchers. Here are 3 in-demand roles you can pursue. Personal Support Worker, or PSW. This role allows you to provide essential care for elderly and disabled individuals, either in long-term care homes or their own homes. No previous healthcare experience is required, and you can complete certification in less than a year. Medical Administrative Assistant. If you prefer working behind the scenes, this role might be a good fit. You'll manage appointments, patient records, and other administrative tasks, and you can often get certified within 6 to 12 months. Nursing. For those looking for a patient-focused role, nursing is a rewarding career. It requires more time to transition, typically a nursing degree and passing the NCLEX-RN exam, but the demand for nurses in Canada is incredibly high. What healthcare role interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Next up, let's talk about certifications and training. Different healthcare roles have different requirements, so here's what you need to know. Personal Support Worker, or PSW. You can find PSW programs at community colleges or through online courses, and most programs last around 6 months to a year. Some programs even offer job placement assistance once you complete your training. Nursing certifications. To become a registered nurse in Canada, you'll need to complete a nursing degree and pass the NCLEX-RN exam. If you already have a degree in a related field, look for accelerated programs that allow you to fast-track your education. Other roles. For medical administrative assistants or healthcare aides, certification programs are shorter, typically 6 months to a year, and are offered by community colleges or organizations like the Red Cross. Make sure to also get CPR and first aid certifications through the Red Cross, which are often required for healthcare jobs. What certification are you most interested in? Check the description for links to training programs. Once you're certified, the next step is finding a job. Here are a few ways you can break into the healthcare industry. Healthcare job boards. Websites like healthcarecan.ca, Indeed, and specialized recruitment agencies are great places to start. Don't forget to check LinkedIn for healthcare-specific job listings. Volunteering and internships. If you're lacking hands-on experience, consider volunteering in hospitals or elderly care facilities. It's a great way to build experience, make connections, and potentially land a paid position later on. Networking. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Join healthcare LinkedIn groups or attend healthcare career fairs to meet industry professionals and learn about job opportunities. Have you ever considered volunteering in healthcare? Share your experience in the comments. Before we wrap up, here are a few unique tips that can help you stand out during your healthcare career switch. Many of your existing skills are more relevant to healthcare than you think. For example, project management skills can be useful in medical administration, and customer service experience translates well to patient care. Before committing to a specific healthcare role, research the day-to-day tasks involved. Watch day-in-the-life videos or reach out to people already working in those roles. Consider the financial aspects of switching careers. Research grants, bursaries, and student loan options for career changers. Programs like the Canada Student Financial Assistance Program can be helpful. So, are you ready to make the switch to healthcare? If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more career advice and tips. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video on how to land your dream healthcare job. Thanks for watching and good luck.